any trouble comes because they love you so much. They just want to know how they can reach you in case that you need them. And they will always be there for you whenever and whatever may come. As you march towards high school, retain and improve the values that has been imbued in you. They are really simple. A sample of this would be best shown in a poem entitled, All I Really Need to Know, I Learned in Kindergarten by Robert Goodman. It goes, all I really need to know about how to live and what to do and how to do, I learned in kindergarten. Wisdom was not at the top of the graduate school mountain, but there in the San Violet School. These are the things that I learned when I was in kindergarten, and I would like to impart to you. Share everything. Play fair. Don't hit people. Put things back where you found them. Clean up your own mess. Don't take things that aren't yours. Say sorry when you hurt someone. Wash your hands before you eat. Flush. Warm cookies and milk are good for you. Live a balanced life. Learn some and think some, and draw and paint and sing and dance and play and work every day some. Take a nap every afternoon. When you go out in the world, watch out for traffic. Hold hands and stick together. Be aware of wonder. Remember the little seed in the styrofoam cup. The roots go down and the plant goes up, and nobody really knows how or why, but we are all like that. Both fish and hamsters and white mice, and even the little seed in the styrofoam cup, they all died. So do we. And then, remember, the Dick and Jane books, and the first word you learned, the biggest word of all. Look. Everything you need to know is there in summer. The golden rule and love in basic sanitation, ecology, in politics, and equality, and safety. And it is still true. No matter how old you are, when you go out in the world, it is best to hold hands and stick together. A poem so simple, yet so meaningful. Something to live by as you embark on your new journey. It said, the biggest word of all is look. So how do we look? We must look forward, because you will be going on to a new chapter of your life. You must also look to your left, to your right. You must also look back, and you must also look up. How? You must look forward because you will be going into high school. So you must know how to handle things in high school. And as I said earlier, as Letran already gave you all the skills that you need, there's no need to be afraid. Now, meron akong request sa graduating students natin. Look to your left. Look to your right. Who do you see? Kaklase nyo, di ba? Shake hands with them and congratulate them. Say, congratulations. They are your peers. You shared moments of laughter and tears, and they will be hand in hand with you through the next step. Always help each other. Do not pull each other down. Alright? After looking left and right, we must now look back. Look back, look back. Who do you see? Parents, right? You must look back in gratitude to your parents, who unconditionally supports you and is continually giving you their all-out love and encouragement to pursue your dreams. Again, look back and look forward. Who do you see? Who do you see? The administrators? Yeah. You must also look back and thank your Colegio de San Juan de Letrán, for embracing you in its arms, letting you pass through rigid but necessary tests to make you ready for any storm to face with confidence. You must also look back in gratitude to your teachers who painstakingly and lovingly does their lesson plans every day, colors, decorations, cutouts for your classrooms. They listen to each and every issue and whatnots in the classroom. They play multiple roles as referees, judges, mothers, fathers, mentors, friends, confidant, listener, and everything that they need to be in order to help you get through each day of your schooling for 6 years in the kolehiyo. Gusto ko pong huli ng pagkakataon ito para magpasalamat sa aking pong mga naging guro noong taon ng simulan 1990 hanggang 1996. Gusto ko pong pasalamatan una-una si Ma'am Evelyn PLC Elasigi. Maraming salamat po. Si Miss Norma Almeida, grade 1. Si Ma'am Dorotea Benya, Filipino teacher.
Palas ang memory niya.
Si Ma'am Guevara, PE. Si Sir Corpus, PE and PHE. Alright, sino pa ba? Si Ma'am Jesusa Bulentagi Oluga, Science, grade 3. Miss Grace Sasis, Science. Alright. May advisor during grade 3, Miss Amelita Bisian, grade 5. At may si Bernadette. Sir Alva, teacher ko ng high school, English. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Mula noon, sila na yung nagtuturo sa amin. Kaya sigurado ko na magiging okay kayo sa kanilang lahat. Alright? Most importantly, after looking forward, looking left and right, looking back, isa na lang, may direction pa tayo titignan. Yung pinaka-importante. You must all look up to heaven and give thanks to the mighty Creator who who made all this possible. Gather your strength from the Lord. Whenever you feel down and afraid, close your eyes and let the words of the Lord give you encouragement and strength. Remember these words. I used these words during my bar exam, and they gave me comfort during that Friday night. Isaiah 4:10. So, my child, do not fear, for the Lord is with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you.
Totoo yan.
I will help you.
Nakita ko sa reviewer.
I will uphold you
Sinulat niya
with
yung
my
kailangan. Sa likod
righteous
ng reviewer.
right hand.
Ano yung nakita ko?
So, be confident. As I will be confident in you, ha? Sa bawat isa sa inyo, I will be confident in you. You can take on the next step. It will be challenging. It will be
Ewan ko,
hard.
nakita ko lang sa reviewer niya.
But,
Do not fear.
take it on with excitement kasi alam mo yung kaya mo. Before I send you all out to high school life, let me request the graduating class of 2012 to please rise. Face your parents and family, and most of all, give them a round of applause and congratulate yourself. Alright? There you go. Alibalitan. Maraming salamat po at magandang gabi.
Thank you very much, Attorney Ron Nicolosa, for such inspiring messages. May the graduating class keep in their minds and hearts the wisdom and knowledge you imparted. Your feats and achievement will forever serve as guiding light of hope to our graduates. Once again, may we request our Rector and President, Reverend Father Honorado Sika Sigara OP, to be assisted by Dr. Maria Rodora G. Mabihar, our Vice President for Academics and Research, and Mr. Simplicio Pilar, allow our principal to present the testimonial and token of appreciation to our guest of honor and commencement speaker. Allow me to read the contents of the certificate of the testimonial. For inspiring, motivating, and enlightening the graceful graduates of 2012, as the Colegios Distinguished Commencement Speaker, Colegio San Juan de la Gran Calamba awards this with gratitude to Attorney Ronaldine Bantatua Alonzo, signed Reverend Father Honorato Sigasigar OP, La Gran Calamba Rector and President, dated 29th day of March 2012. Thank you, Father Casigador, Dr. Aguilar, and Mr. Alba. At this moment, let us listen to the batch most exemplary